So this is going to be a really quick video, an awesome video, because we have some awesome news. There is going to be a Connecticut resellers meetup this Thursday, and we're all getting together and we're thrifting our way through the state.
That's right, April 12th. We're starting in Waterbury and we are thrifting our way down to Danbury. We're stopping at a bunch of places. We're going to be going out with some great people, a ton of people that know this business, that know how to thrift, know how to source, know how to make money.
Yeah, a bunch of people. Steve Raiken from Raiken Profit.
Greg, the valet picker.
Jesse from Thrift School, and a bunch of local resellers. And what's amazing about this is, you know, every time we get together, everybody has their own areas of expertise, what they like to source,
right,
you know, what they like to sell, and it's really educational.
Yep, some of them do eBay, some of them do Amazon FBA. Steve Raiken is all around with everything.
Well-rounded.
He's well-rounded in all of it. We do Poshmark, so it's going to be a little bit of knowledge from every avenue of reselling that you can get out there, and it's going to be all in one place.
So if you're ever wondering, you know, what's it like to sell on Amazon FBA, there's going to be people there that do it. And then that's not just the exciting news.
No, we're also getting a hotel room. Whoever wants to stay can stay. We're getting a hotel room at the Heritage Hotel in Southbury, Connecticut.
Which is smack dab in the middle of the route. We already had the route planned.
We're all going to have dinner together. We're going to have fun together. We're going to do a mastermind class where everybody learns about everybody's business and what they do best. And we're going to talk
and grow.
All night long and grow. Yeah, we're going to grow our business and network. So if you're in Connecticut or Massachusetts or anywhere near
New England, and you can make it,
there's going to be a link in the description. It's going to link to the Facebook Connecticut Thrifting group, and all you got to do is get in that group. It's a private group, but we'll accept you.
I'll accept you.
And all the information is going to be in there. If you want to book a hotel, it's the Heritage Hotel in Southbury, Connecticut. You can look that up online and book a room for the night. We're all going to have a great time.
I really hope you guys can make it.
And we'll see you on April 12th.
Yep, see you guys then.